Hi friends, welcome to South Beach, Miami, where the sun, sand, and style come together to create one of the most iconic destinations in the world. Whether you're here for the vibrant nightlife, the stunning beaches, or the Art Deco architecture, South Beach has something for everyone. Let's dive in and explore what makes this place so special. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification. Our journey begins at the heart of South Beach, the beach itself. Stretching for miles, this sandy paradise is perfect for soaking up the sun, playing beach sports, or taking a dip in the Atlantic Ocean. The soft white sand and clear blue waters are just the beginning. Need some shade or a spot to relax? You'll find plenty of rentals for chairs and umbrellas, along with colorful lifeguard stands that are not only functional but also a symbol of South Beach's unique flair. Next up, we stroll down Ocean Drive. This famous street is lined with historic Art Deco buildings, trendy cafes, and lively bars. It's the perfect place to take a leisurely walk, grab a bite to eat, or simply people watch. For those who love to shop and dine, Lincoln Road Mall is a must-visit. This open-air promenade offers a mix of high-end boutiques, popular retail stores, and a variety of dining options. It's also a great spot to catch some street performers and local art. Whether you're in the mood for fresh seafood, international cuisine, or just a refreshing drink, Lincoln Road has it all. Be sure to try some local favorites and maybe even indulge in a bit of people-watching from one of the many outdoor cafes. As the sun sets, South Beach transforms into a nightlife haven. From world-renowned nightclubs to chic rooftop bars, there's no shortage of places to dance the night away or enjoy a cocktail with a view. South Beach isn't just about sun and fun, it's also a cultural hub. Take a break from the beach to explore the Miami Beach Botanical Garden, visit the Base Museum of Art, or check out some of the local art installations scattered throughout the area. These spots offer a glimpse into the artistic and natural beauty that complements South Beach's energetic atmosphere. From sunrise to sunset and beyond, South Beach, Miami, is a destination that offers a little bit of everything for everyone. Whether you're here to relax, explore, or party, you're sure to create unforgettable memories. Thanks for joining us on this tour of South Beach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.